Let me show you how to quickly sew your dart into your skirt or your blouses to come out looking very neat like this. So this is your dart. First of all, what you're going to do is to sew the midpoint of the dart. So with your lining and your fabric placed together. So let me go ahead and sew here. So this is it after sewing it here. Next thing you're going to do is to flip this over like this, and also flip this one over like this, and then you're going to go ahead and sew the dart. After sewing it, you flip it over like this, and you can see how neat the dart is. Can you see? Seamless. Let me know if you want to try this out. If you have also been using this method, let us know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.